Hey beauty, welcome to the channel. Today I'm walking you through exactly how I put together this gorgeous Jumbo Box Braid wig from prep to customization. If you're wanting a protective style you can throw on and go, this tutorial is for you. Let's start with the base. I'm using a ventilated wig cap that fits comfortably and allows for easy braiding. For the main event, I'm using pre-stretch braiding hair for a smooth and tangle free process. Once your base is ready, it's time to session. I'm going for jumbo braid so my parts are larger and spaced evenly. Using a comb to map it out before you start, it will save you time and keep your wig looking neat and uniform. While braiding, keep your tension consistent but not too tight. Remember, it's a wig and not a scalp. I'm just going to be repeating this process. If you don't know how to make a knotless braid, visit my channel for tutorial on how to make a knotless braid. Now I'm just going to be repeating this process until all the braids are done. Once all the braids are in, I dip the ends in hot water to seal them and give them that finished look. Watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any part. And just like that, your own custom Jumbo Box Braid wig is ready to slay. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this or if you have patience. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You get an update when I post the next one.